Vcheck C1, compact and high-efficiency chemistry analyzer. Vcheck C1 is a smart solution for hospitals. It fits perfectly in any space-limited environment. Also, it works with whole blood, serum, or plasma. No pre-treatment, just a small sample. We offer two reagent types, circular and sector rotor. Sector rotor lets you run 3 tests at once, optimized for your workflow. The circular rotor requires just 100 microliter of sample and delivers reliable results in 12 minutes. The sector rotor allows 60 to 120 microliter of sample per rotor. Run up to 3 tests simultaneously with a flexible configuration. All the necessary information for the test is automatically scanned by the analyzer using the barcode on the rotor. Sample processing inside the rotor begins here. Whole blood, serum, and plasma samples can be applied directly to the rotor without any pre-processing. The sample moves into the mixing chamber, where it combines with a diluent. The mixture flows along the rotor's edge and rehydrates lyophilized reagents in the wells. Color reactions occur, and the analyzer measures absorbance to calculate the results. Fast results in about 10 minutes, easily accessible through your hospital system with bidirectional connectivity. Vcheck C1 delivers space efficiency, versatile sample handling, and a customizable rotor driven by clinical precision. Vcheck C1, compact and high-efficiency chemistry analyzer.